In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for creating buzz around movie releases quickly and easily. Let's begin by heading over to Google Trends. This is a fantastic tool for gauging public interest in various topics, including movies. Open up your Google search page and type Google Trends. Once you hit search, you'll see the first link lead you straight to the Google Trends homepage. Click on it, and you're on your way. Once you're on the Google Trends page, you'll want to explore this treasure trove of data. You'll spot an Explore button. Click on that to start customizing your search experience. In the search bar, go ahead and type the exact title of the movie you're interested in. It could be something like Dune Part Two, Deadpool and Wolverine, or Inside Out 2. Make sure to be precise with the name, as this ensures you capture the right search interest data. After you've typed in the movie name, go ahead and press Enter. This will pull up all the search trends associated with that specific title. Now let's talk about filters. At the top, you'll see several options you can tweak. First, decide on the location. This could be focused on your target market or even set to worldwide, depending on your needs. Then, adjust your time frame. You might choose the past 12 months to get a snapshot of current interest, or go for the past 5 years if you're looking for long-term trends. Lastly, use the category filter. For our purposes, select video games, since it closely aligns with entertainment trends. Once everything is set, turn your attention to the interest over time graph. This visual representation is your friend. Notice any sudden spikes. Those could indicate trailer drops, major casting news, or intense marketing campaigns. A rising trend suggests that anticipation is building up before the movie release. Conversely, a sharp drop might indicate that the buzz is starting to fade post-release. Understanding these patterns can help you time your content when attention is at its peak, be it trailers, reviews, or merchandise. For those of you strategizing on which film to cover, Google Trends allows you to compare multiple movies. Click on Plus Compare and add other titles you're interested in. This feature lets you see which movie has the highest or fastest growing search interest. It's incredibly helpful if you're deciding where to focus your marketing efforts or coverage. Next, check out regional popularity by scrolling down to the Interest by Region section. Here, you can see where the movie is generating the most buzz, which is useful for planning localized campaigns, screenings, or targeted advertising. Finally, don't skip the related topics and related queries sections. Rising queries show what's currently gaining traction, while top reveals evergreen searches. These insights provide ready-made content ideas tied to exactly what audiences are currently searching for. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using Google Trends for movie release buzz. Dive in and let this tool work wonders for your marketing strategy.